in the nest hole. Now, if you cannot see this loving gesture, let's watch this. So this right here is Vicky inspecting the nest cavity, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Look at that, in she goes. And right now we have Sunny feeding Vicky through that small gap. Now this unique nesting behavior is similar to all 62 different species of hornbills. And there you go. Can we give it up for Sunny and Vicky, our great high hornbills?
Work very hard to keep our birds active, enriched, and engaged. Okay, so in a very short while, we're going to meet some very critical feathered friends of ours. So, are you guys ready? Okay, with that, let's welcome our beautiful birds. There you go. So let's talk about the enrichment device that they're holding. That is called a monkey fist. Okay? Now it is ropes tied into knots, and inside those knots we've hidden some treats for our birds to find. This way it will allow them to be stimulated and enriched. Okay, so right there we have our corneas. Okay, so corneas can be found in South America and they are now endangered. Okay, there are more than 800,000 of these birds that are sold into pet trade. So because of that, there are more corneas in people's homes than in the wild. Now these birds, they are social birds and they are happiest in flocks. So ladies and gentlemen, please do not keep them as pets. Alright, looks like they've done a wonderful job. Let's give them a big hand!
Happening here at Sky Amphitheatre will be the Predators on Wings at 1 p.m. Once again, the next program happening right here at Sky Amphitheatre will be the Predators on Wings at 1 p.m. where you can see hawks, eagles, and vultures in action. And with that, everyone, thank you so much and have a nice day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Ready,